Okay, so the next part is basically we've got to fit everything back into the dark grey area here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my grid by clicking that because I don't like it. And what we're going to do is to move everything and scale everything or rotate anything in this texture editor, we're going to have to right click and go into UV mode. It's very important, otherwise nothing will move for you. Okay. What I've done is I've got my larger chunks over here on one side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sort these out first because these are my main priority. These are the ones that you're going to see the most, and they're going to take up most of the texture space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and place everything in a kind of similar area. And just grab it and shrink it down. Remember what we want to do in this as well, even though we want to fit everything inside here, we want to take up as much space as possible, because if we're doing that, it means that we're going to have a sharper texture at the end of it. Nothing's going to be wasted. This top bit here probably could be shrunk down slightly, a bit more. Now these here bits are really big, and compared to what they are in the actual 3D model over here, they're absolutely too big. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to shrink them down loads, because they shouldn't be taking up that much texture space. There you go. So everything there is actually fitted in relatively nice enough in that dark grey area. If I wanted, I could probably work a lot more on that and get it a lot more snugger so it's taking up a bit more space, because there is a lot of wasted areas around here and in the middle that I could probably put to better use. But at the minute, I'm happy enough with it. So